Let's check out these microwaveable plush animals that were gifted to us so we can do this video. These are from Cuckool and they come in this nice little gift box, which is a perfect gift for birthdays or Christmas. They get to open it up and let's see what our stuffed animals look like. So there is an adoption certificate in here, so you can name your pet, you can put your name on it and sign and date it. It says, by signing this certificate, I promise to give my pet a lifetime of love, care, attention, and fun. I promise to be their best friend forever. So this is super cute and giftable. Love the little adoption certificate. This is a cute little stuffed highland cow. It is so soft and furry. It has these adorable little bangs. You can actually comb these or brush them if you want. Another neat thing about this is it has natural flaxseed and lavender inside. This can be microwaved so that it's a warm little soothing heating pad pet. It can be refrigerated so it's a nice little cooling pet, and it does have a little bit of weight to it because of the natural flaxseed inside. It has a really nice feel and it's super cuddly and adorable and just a great little friend for your kiddos to enjoy. Love it.